A small upfront investment can yield a big payoff when selling your home. The Windermere Ready program helps you maximize the value of your home to make it more competitive on the market. This program allows you to access equity in the home before you sell to cover improvement costs, from decluttering and deep cleaning to major repairs or replacements.
Windermere Ready program is great because it affords clients an opportunity to properly prepare their home for market. It's common knowledge that if a home is properly prepared and marketed, it will receive potentially a lot of attention.
It's a very simple process. My clients worked with the Windermere Ready program, able to borrow equity from the home they already had to do this amazing kitchen remodel. They also painted the whole exterior of the house, added can lights in the family room, refinished these amazing hickory hardwood floors for $25,000. They netted a lot more money than we'd anticipated because this is what made the difference.
We have a client who lived in her home almost about 15 years.
So it was really needing a spruce up.
That's when we started talking about the Windermere Ready program.
We did 90,000 over asking, sold off in the first week, obviously, and
we had 8 offers.
We had 8 offers, so $14,000 went a long, long way.
Together, we'll set your home up for selling success. And the application process is easy.
The Windermere Ready program is fast and easy, and it makes a huge difference in your bottom line.
This is an opportunity to allow your clients to have access to some funds that they may not have otherwise had, and I think that's unique to Windermere.
Ready to get started? Contact your Windermere agent to learn more. The Windermere Ready program. Maximize your home's value.